You've seen those videos telling you about the one secret to get a fast FDA approval. You've seen those videos telling you about how to get a job in regulatory affairs. Well, that's not where we're going today. Instead, we're diving into the deepest, darkest depths of drug development, where good molecules go to die, where billion-dollar companies vanish overnight, and where regulators hold the key to life, death, and profit margins. Drug development isn't just a breakthrough science, it's a strategic marathon through regulatory landscapes, clinical trials, and global compliance. Today we're diving into the drug approval iceberg, from surface level basics to deep challenges that most don't see. By the end, you'll understand why 90% of drug candidates fail and how you'll position yourself in the winning 10%. At the surface, the drug approval system seems straightforward. Preclinical research shows safety and efficacy in animals. IND submissions, file with the FDA to start human trials, phase 1, 2, and 3 trials, test the healthy volunteers, target patients, and then large populations, NDA/BLA submissions, and approval. But that's just 5% of the story. Let's dive deeper. Here's where strategy separates success from failure. CMC challenges. Small-scale synthesis does not equal commercial production. A single impurity can derail your application. Clinical trial design. The FDA wants hard endpoints: survival, disease progression. Patient recruitment is harder than you think. Global strategy. The EU's EMA wants different data than the FDA. Japan's PMDA requires ethnic bridging studies. One tip is to start your target product profile, or your TPP, early. It's your North Star of development. If you don't plan for phase 3 during phase 1, you're already behind. Approval is just the beginning. Now you face pharmacovigilance. Track real-world safety data, because clinical trials does not equal real life. For example, a drug safe in 10,000 patients might reveal side effects in 1 million users. Lifecycle management. New formulations, for example, extended release. Additional indications, expanding your market. Regulatory updates. The FDA may require phase 4 studies post-approval. Label updates based on your new safety data. The deepest layer is where innovation meets regulation. Advanced gene and cell-based therapies. FDA's CBER has unique requirements. Long-term follow-up is critical. Software as a medical device needs predicate strategies. Real-world evidence, or RWE, is gaining traction. ICH guidelines evolve, so stay ahead. China's NMPA and India's CDSCO are rising players. Mastering your regulatory strategy isn't about luck, it's about planning for every tier of the iceberg. Like and subscribe for part 2, how to bribe the FDA. I'm just kidding. In all seriousness, the next video is going to be about the regulatory team and what that entails. And also, the majority of where this content comes from is in this book that I would highly recommend, called Global Pharmaceuticals and Biological Regulatory Strategy. I'd also highly recommend taking a look at the RAPS website if you want to learn more. They have a couple different programs and events that you can go to get more involved in regulatory affairs in biopharma. In the next few weeks, we'll also be interviewing with some special guests, important people from Genentech, and here at Miami University, Tufts, who are involved in biopharma.